Hello guys and welcome to my 26th video tutorial, and in this video we will proceed with the CRUD project. We are making the scripts possible to update files and to update values in the database, and in this video we will continue to do those scripts. As you see, it's a little bit more complex to update a value in the database either than inserting a value. Okay, to insert a value we only need basically one script, a little script, but to update a value or a bunch of values we need at least 2 or 3 different scripts that we will put in 3 different PHP files. Okay, so let's go straight away to code, but before that I found an error here in the last file, which is here. Okay, update.php. Go there, and here in edit.php, before edit.php you have to type double quotes. Okay, I forgot to mention you guys that, and let me see here. I have my notes. Yes, that's it. You have to type here double quotes, and this is the file where we will process the new script that we are making. So instead of update form.php, we have to call this file edit.php. Okay, I forgot also to mention you guys that. So let's go here and let's save this as edit.php. I don't know if you hear, guys, but there's a big storm here in my neighborhood. I hope a lightning bolt doesn't enter my room. So let's go and type edit here, save. That's it. And you can delete the update form.php. Okay, take that out. Holy shit. There's a big storm here in Lisbon right now. So let's get on with it. PHP edit.php. So let's start the script, and now just type and copy what I'm doing now, which is, first of all, let's take this PHP out because this is going to be, whoa, even with the storm, and I almost have lightning bolts inside my room. I will not stop making you tutorials, guys. Okay, so don't worry. So let's type here head. Ride the lightning. So here let's type body. And inside body let's type h3 and edit user like this, space, and now let's type PHP embedded in HTML code, okay, to echo something. And the echo is going to be the request global variable of PHP, okay, and what it does is gets this value here. it gets the value of the name here, and this shouldn't be name, this should be names. And so you have to change this also. Instead of ID, you have to put IDs, names, emails, passwords, and that's it. Okay, because if you put the same name, it will make a little bit confusion to PHP, because a variable has the same name here, email, and if we put the same name here, probably we will get some kind of error. So let's call that names. Let's save that, and here you have to put names in here. Okay, and now we close this PHP, and that's it. Okay, you'll see later on when I run the page what will happen here. So now let's type here form method equals post, and action equals change.php. That's it. That's right, guys. We will still need another file with another script until we finally change and update values into database. So don't worry, we will get there. So change.php is going to be another file with the last script, okay, and the final script to update files. Now here, let's type table border equals 0, width equals 60%, and now tr table row td width equals 30%, and now name, let's type name, close table data, open table data, and now let's type input type, here text, name equals, pay attention now, guys, you have to type a different name here, and let's call it new name. Okay, new name, and space value, let's go to the next line, value equals, and now here also pay attention, because you have to type embedded PHP code here, which is echo, and request, and names. Okay, and close that with the PHP tag, and now close that and open close table data and close table row. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is copy this and paste it here. Okay, you can give a little bit more space here for you to organize yourself and see the better, see the code better, and paste here. So names, and after name is email, so new email, and here you can change also for password, new password, and here we change this to email, and here change this to emails with S at the end. And here we change this to password. And here we change this to passwords. Okay, let's save this. And now here let's type input type equals submit and value equals save and update. Okay, perfect. Now here let's type input type equals hidden, okay, name equals ID, and value equals PHP echo, again the request global variable, and here we type IDs, okay, and that's it. Oops, that's it. And now close form, and I think that's all. Okay, let's save this. And now let's see if it works. Okay, so let's go to home. Here, let's type home. Refresh. Let's go to edit user. And let's click the 6. And there it is. Beautiful. Okay, so you see when I click the 6 or the 9, okay, when I click it, this form appears, okay, and I don't know what the hell is doing here, this button. It should be at the end. I'm gonna try to change that. Okay, just a second. Oh. Okay, it doesn't matter. Oh, okay, I have to type here at the end table, close table. Okay, just put close table here, save it, and now let's refresh, and there it is. Okay, perfect. So we can also put here a little paragraph, save this. That's it, perfect. Okay, so we now have a form to change the values that we want to change. Okay, and if I want to change Alex, I can also click, and I have here the different values of Alex that I want to change. Okay, this button doesn't work yet. Okay, this is going to be our next script. Okay, so now you have the forms to edit the values, whatever value you want in the list. So this is all for now. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.